Now, next step is to get the wheel off. For those of you who aren't familiar with removing the wheels on your bikes, it's not too difficult. Hopefully, it wasn't last time I tried it. The brake actuating rod has already been removed, so normally what you do is you would unscrew a butterfly nut on the end here, and that allows the drum brake to be removed like that. Next thing is the torsion bolt and torsion arm here, so I'll remove that first. No, too big. Now, there may be a split pen on that. I think some do and some don't. This one doesn't. And that basically prevents your drum brake from rotating, which it should kind of do. I'll leave that there and reattach that after I've got the wheel off. And then it's basically the two wheel nuts. I might want to slacken off the chain tensioners as well, so those are 12 mil. So undo the lock nuts. And that'll just give us some tension, sorry, some slack. Oh Christ, that's removed itself completely. Some slack in the chain. This is actually a new chain of sprockets that have been fitted to this. So not a great deal of slack to come with a new chain of sprockets. I'll slacken it off a wee bit anyway. And that's also a 10 mil for the bolt itself. Slacken that off a wee bit. That should allow the wheel to move forward slightly if it needs to. Again, I'll re-tension that when I refit it and get the wheel alignment set up correctly at the time as well. And then it's basically removing the axle, which is held on by a 17 mil nut on this side, and there's a 17 mil hex end on the axle on the opposite side. So what you do is with a 17 mil spanner, you hold the left hand side, and that allows you to then, nope. Where did I check that? My mistake, that's a 19 I think. Yeah, 19 mil on this side. So 17 one side, 19 on the other. So holding on the left to stop it from rotating. We can then withdraw the nut on the right hand side. That'll wash the doors up. No. Okay. Let's see what loose this is. This hasn't actually ridden. This hasn't actually been ridden since we changed the chain of sprockets, so it should be pretty loose. But you may need to give it a little bit of persuasion with a mallet just to hammer through that side, get it going. You can also work it from the left hand side, 17 mil, and almost screw it out as well, and that can help get the axle out. So it's just lifting the axle the spacers will drop out. Like so, and I do like to put these back in as they come out. So this one's on the right. This one also on the left as well, that way you get them back in the correct order. So from the left, first spacer, the wheel obviously in the middle, second spacer, and the axle nut. That way it's all together. Oh, it's getting lost. Move that torsion arm and I'll get the nuts back on there as well. Keep it all together. And I've actually removed the brake shoes at the same time if I wish. I'll leave that till the wheel's out. Don't want to get grease on them. So I can dislodge the chain now. And just move the wheel from the frame.